Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, The Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another video, and I mean another unboxing video, that is. And today, what we're going to be unboxing is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus. And the reason why I wanted these, because I wanted to see if they're better than the original Galaxy Buds. I also was trying to get the Google Pixel Buds, but no one has them. They're out. So I said, well, since I'm going on my road trip soon, I'm gonna need something to be able to play me some really good music. So I said, let me go with the Galaxy Bud Plus. I also have the first gen AirPods. And for my second phone, I also have the AirPod Pros. So as you can see, I'm in the truly wireless game, and I just wanted to make sure that we can see if these are better than the originals. Today I have my Punisher knife, so we're gonna go ahead with the unboxing. Nice presentation, by the way. We got books and everything in here. Just books on how to use them, warranty, everything like that. We also, here go the Galaxy Buds. We're gonna unwrap them. Let me smell them. Smell like a new car. These smell like a new car. They're more shinier. They have a shiny instead of a matte black. So the originals are matte black, and the newer ones are a shiny black. Before we hook them up and see how they sound and how they work, we have a USB USB to USB-C cord for charging, and we have various ear tips as well. I don't know if you can see them because I don't want to spray them all over the place, because they're not in a pack. They're not packaged in a bag or anything. They're just like on the side of the box. So let me put that in here. But let's go into the buds. As you can see, shiny instead of matte black, and roughly they're the same size as the originals. This is the original in this hand, and these are the new ones in this hand. You can see it's about the same size. The only thing is, this is matte black, and this is a more shiny black, a metallic black, or metallic gray, it looks like. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna get it hooked up to my phone, and we're gonna see how it sounds. I'll make a few test calls, and I'm gonna allow you to hear me make the test calls. So what's up, everybody? I'm back. I hooked it up to my phone. Easy hook, easy pairing to the phone. So I'm gonna put it in my ear. I'm gonna leave the original ear tips in. They already had 55% juice in them. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put them in my ear. And what we're gonna do also, we're gonna give it the shake test to see if they come flying out the ears. And guess what? They're still in my ear. The Galaxy Buds, you can go into the Galaxy Wear app, and you have a couple of options. I don't know if you can see this right now, but a couple of options. One thing that's good about this, you have what's called ambient sound, where you actually amplify the sound around you. So if you're jogging and listening to music, you can still hear the sounds that's coming around you. And Apple adopted this on their AirPod Pros, I'm sorry, but it didn't have it in the original. But the original Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy, there was some buds before this called the Acon. They were able to do the ambient sound through, so it was pretty good. You have the equalizer where you can go for bass, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. So you can also get your notifications read out loud. You have a touchpad also, and you can update it. It says a version that needs to be updated. I'll update that later. So what we're going to do right now, while I have this, while I have them in my ear, I'm going to give somebody a call and see how I sound. It looked like they're not answering the phone. So let me see if I can give somebody else a call. Uh-oh. Let me see if I can give somebody else a call. This is embarrassing. Nobody wants to talk to me. Wow. The second call. Uh-oh. Let's see. Let's do a third call. See if somebody would pick up for me. I don't like to prep people. I just like to call them and see if they answer. Wow. Yo, what's up, baby boy? Hey, I'm doing a video right now about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Just trying to ask you, can you hear me? Do I sound clear? Can you hear the background? How do they sound? Okay. No, I'm outside and the birds are still chirping a little bit. Okay, well, thank you very much, bro. And I'll give you a call back after the video. Thank you for answering my call. All right, peace out. So as you can see, I was on the call with a friend of mine, and he said he can hear very clear. He did say the microphone was kind of close to my face, but he couldn't hear the background, couldn't hear the birds chirping. And one thing I forgot to do is to tell you that these have 11-hour playtime, two-way speakers for rich sounds, triple mics for clear voice calls, and Qi-compatible wireless charger. Now we're gonna see if that's good, because I did bring me a power bank, which you're able to use for wireless charging. Is wireless charging on? Yes, it did. I don't know if you can see the red light flashing, but wireless charging is on board. Wireless charging is on board. What do I think? I think everything's, from what I've heard from the call, it makes good call quality. The call quality is great. Excuse me. I'm listening to a song, a little part of a song. From what I can tell from the music, it sounds pretty good. Now, I'm not going to say I'm an audiophile head, but I do like listen to pretty good music. From my initial, I don't know if they call this review or my impressions, I think these are well worth it. These were $150 for everything you get. The iPod Pros, I caught them on sale, but at full price you're looking at $249. $250. $249.99 is the Apple Pros, and the only thing these are not missing would be the noise active cancellation, which the AirPods do have. So the only thing I wish these would have would be the noise active noise cancellation. But considering that it has 3 mic array, it has triple mic for clear calls, that might negate some things. So if you like the content, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. This is your boy, The Ghettoographer, signing off.